Hi guys, we're going to see how the reaction between calcium carbonate and perchloric acid takes place. So what I have I am showing you here is a corresponding molecule of calcium carbonate, where we have the calcium here in yellow, the carbon here in black, and the oxygen is these three red atoms, and the perchloric acid, we're going to represent them. We're going to represent it by the perchlorate fragment in purple, and in white the hydrogen. So what we have is, as in any chemical reaction, a rearrangement of the corresponding bonds. So what we are going to find is that, first of all, there's going to be some bonds that break over here, and some other bonds that break on the other side. Okay, so we're having here something in between, and what we will end up having, and I have already prepared that for you, is this and this, and therefore the molecules are going to be these two. So what we have done is just breaking the bonds between the oxygen and the calcium, and breaking the bonds between the perchlorate and the hydrogen, and we have exchanged both types of atoms. We're going to give one more step. We're going to go one step further, because the carbonic acid molecule that we have here on the left is not very stable. So what we know it happens is that, again, there is a rearrangement of the atoms and the bonds, and what we have is something that breaks here and something that breaks here. Oops. So what we are having is something that comes and becomes this thing, and then it will rearrange finally into this other molecule, in which we have to make sure that the carbon has all the bonds that it needs to have, and this that was carbonic acid has become, on one side, CO2, and on the other side the molecule of water. Okay? Thank you.